Hello YouTubers, in this video we're going to be changing out our door seal plate on my 2009 Saab 9.3 Aero cross-wheel drive. In the build sheet for this car, which I'll try and pop up in the video, you'll see that this car came with plain door seals. That option code was selected versus the ones I just bought online, which have Aero on them. That was an option for the year. On my 2006 convertible, it had Aero on it, which was shocking when this car didn't. I wasn't shocked, it doesn't matter. Anyway, you would have thought it would have come with it. Anyway, this video, we're going to be taking those there and putting them on here. The tool we need is a pry tool. If we look at the bottom of it, we have 3 clips. And that should be all that's holding this on. So let's see if we can't get it off gently. Yeah. Yeah. And 3. Let me clean that up. The area is clean. Let's see. This goes under that for sure. Slides in. Oh. Maybe I'm not clipped in. Okay, I see the difference. These clips are smaller than these clips, so let's change them out. All right, take 2, slide it in there. She's in. All right, let me do the other one. Here we are on the other side. Gonna do the same thing. First, if we can just pry it. Oh yeah. Perfect. Swap out the pins. All right, pop her in. Goes underneath. Lines up. Anyway, YouTubers, that's all this video is about, just adding a little bit of something else to the car that didn't come with it. And yeah, quick little video showing you how to pop it off, pop it on, and make your car just a little bit different. Anyway, YouTubers, if you like the video,